Today we're looking at tibial torsion. So that's a whole big mouthful, but what it really means is that we're looking at the way that the lower leg behaves when we bend our knee. So sometimes what happens when people experience a lot of knee pain, it's that that whole lower leg has forgotten how to dial. So the knee is basically a horseshoe shaped joint where the condyles of the tibia and the femur come together, and they have a sort of locking and unlocking motion. But quite often with knee pain, what's happened is the whole lower leg has gotten stuck in just one position. So you'll often see that people will lift their leg up, but the whole lower leg will continue to twist outwards. And it doesn't actually follow that slight internal rotation that it needs to do when we're busy bending the knee. So there's a little interaction that's kind of gotten lost in translation. And then that also affects the way that the lower leg and the ankle interact. So it could also contribute to some ankle pain and then gradually over time, potentially hip pain. So it's a very simple thing to do. Don't try and do too much though. It's more of a physical reminder for your body what should be happening. And then you can apply it when you're climbing stairs and things like that. So I'm going to place my foot up on something because it's easier to show you, but you can do this kneeling on the ground provided you don't have any knee problems. So we want to make sure that we have the leg at about 120 degrees, give or take. So we don't want to be directly at a 90-degree angle here to start. And I'm going to do it facing towards you, because I want to be sure that you can see that I'm not letting my whole knee drop in when I'm doing this. I'm still using a slight outward pressure of my thigh to keep my thigh bone aligned. Wrap your hands around the lower leg just below the knee. As you bend forward, just remind the muscles to twist inwards and then unlock them again. Twist inwards. So you're twisting towards the big toe side of the foot, and then you're going to unlock. So you're taking the outside and wrapping it in towards the midline of the body. So you only need to do about 4 or 5 of those. So if I was going to go and say climb a step, so this is going to be a very big step, I'm trying not to sort of kill myself as I go up here. I am going to bring my knee over, and I don't want to drop out or drop in, because I see that a lot with people when they're climbing stairs, is the knee just collapses inward. You want to come over and then step up. And the same thing for when you step down. So you want to keep that knee nice and stable. And the same thing for when you're walking. So I hope that's clarified tibial torsion for you a little bit more.